Today we're looking at Note 7-10, Natural Logarithms. So the properties of natural logarithms are the same as the properties of logs. So if I asked you to condense these natural logarithms, it would happen in the same way. So if you've got a number out in front of the natural log, it's going to shift up to the exponent. So this would be ln of 9 squared, and then to simplify, you would just write ln of 81. Okay, and here on this one, if I've got 3 ln of x plus ln of y, then you're going to, of course, bring that 3 to an exponent. So natural log of x cubed plus, there's no need to move anything to an exponent here, plus ln y, and then there's a plus sign in between, so that means natural log of x cubed times y. Multiply. Nothing you can do to simplify that. Okay, so here on this one, I'm going to take my exponents, bring them both up. So I'd have natural log of 2 to the 5th minus natural log of 4. So that would give me natural log of 32 minus natural log of 4. The minus in between means I'm going to divide. So natural log of 32 divided by 4. So, oh, what happened to my 2 up there? 4 squared. Oops, that was supposed to go up to the top and be a 2. 4 squared was supposed to be 16. I hope you saw that and you were yelling at me at home. So 32 over 16. Hopefully we're all good now. And then when you divide that out, that would be natural log of 2. See, I make mistakes too. Caught myself that time, luckily. Okay, so on this last one here, I've got a 2 out in front with parentheses around everything in here on the inside. You're going to distribute that 2 on both natural logs before you do anything else. So 2 natural log of 3 plus 2 natural log of x. So then, like before, those are going to come up as exponents. So natural log of 3 squared plus natural log of x squared, and then natural log of 9 plus natural log of x squared. The plus in between means I'm going to multiply these things, so natural log of 9x squared. That's it on that one. Okay, so solving. That was our condensing, practicing that. Solving. It is similar, and in fact, almost exactly the same as log and exponential. The only difference is that when you're dealing with natural log, or the natural base, that e is the base. So if I ask you to solve this natural log problem, okay, just like solving a regular log problem, you're going to isolate the log, which in this case means I need to get rid of this minus 1. So plus 1 plus 1. Then I get natural log of the quantity 3x plus 5 equals 2. And then, since my natural log is isolated, nothing in front, nothing in the back that I can get rid of, I'm going to swirl, make it an exponential. My base of a natural log is e. So this would be e squared equals 3x plus 5. Then, of course, you're going to need to rely upon your calculator. E squared is 7.39. So 7.39 equals 3x plus 5. So then subtract 5 from each side. Subtract 5. You get 2.39 equals 3x. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. 2.39 divided by 3 gives me 0.79666666. So 0.80. So x equals 0.80. And I divide both sides by 3. Okay, now on this next one here, same thing, I'm solving a natural log. I need to isolate the natural log. That means I need to get rid of the minus 2 here, and I need to get rid of the 5 here. So going in order, I'm going to add 2, both sides. Okay, so 5 natural log of x plus 2 divided by 3 equals 5. Divide both sides by 5. Okay, so natural log of x plus 2 divided by 3 equals 1. Now that the natural log is by itself, I can convert. So e to the first power equals x plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so e to the first power equals this. To get rid of the divide by 3, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So I'm going to multiply 3 times e to the first. So let me 3 times e to the first, which is going to give me 8.15. So 8.15 equals x plus 2. Subtract 2 from each side, I get x equals 6.15. Okay, now moving on to solving an exponential problem with the base of e. So just like before, with an exponential, you are going to get that base of e with the power of x in it somewhere, all by itself. So minus 3, so I get e to the 2x equals 17. Once that base of e is by itself, I can swirl and convert. So log base e of 17 equals 2x. Well, log base e of 17 is natural log 17 equals 2x. So I have the natural log button of 17. That gives me 2.83. So 2.83 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. I get x equals, divide by 2. X equals 1.42. 1.42. Okay, next problem, last problem actually. Get that base e by itself, so minus 2, I get 4. E to the 2x equals 14. Okay, so now divide by 4. So e to the 2x equals 3.5. Okay, so now it's e is by itself, so I can go ahead and swirl to convert. So let me not write it that way yet because I don't know if you're ready for that yet. Log base e of 3.5 equals 2x. So you know log base e is natural log, so natural log 3.5 equals 2x. So over here in my calculator, natural log 3.5 is 1.25. So 1.25 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. You get x equals 0.63.